Hey there, it's Rafael Cintron here with another update on the current coronavirus and dropshipping e-commerce situation and what to do about it. Shipping times from China are absolutely skyrocketing, as well as shipping costs. So it's getting more expensive to actually get your products to your customers all over the world. I'm going to talk about also, should you wait until this period of the pandemic is over to actually get your store up and running if you're a beginner, or to continue running your store and running ads to your store if you are already in business. So we're going to go through all that current situation, what to do about it, and how to actually get some results and be able to fulfill your products the best way possible. Let's go. If you have any questions about the current coronavirus and dropshipping crisis, please comment them down in the comments below. I will be answering every single question over the first 24 hours that this video is posted. So if you have any question about coronavirus, dropshipping, e-commerce, Shopify, whatever it is, just drop it down in the comments. And if you want our expert help to help you with your business directly for free, you can book a call with the first link in the description, a free discovery call. Either me or somebody on my team will help you get the right strategy to get your business running. All right, coronavirus explained. Should you wait until the pandemic is over to actually start dropshipping, to start on Shopify? And what is the current situation and what should you do about it? So current situation, many businesses are failing, quitting, and firing staff. I know personally people that have worked for Shopify stores, have worked for e-commerce businesses, and they're getting told that they're going to have to work less hours, they're going to have to work part-time, revenues are going down, ad spend is going down, everything is going down. So this is the real thing that's happening. It's a crisis. It's really a recession almost. Ad costs are lower than ever and competition is falling. So a thing that happens when people have less money, when businesses are making less money, is that ad costs actually go down because less people are competing for that ad space, specifically on Facebook. Facebook ad costs right now are the cheapest they've ever been. Our cost per purchase has gone down dramatically, and we are getting more sales through Facebook just because there is much less competition. Brands of products that don't seem high value or high priority need to adapt. If you were just selling some random product out there, or you're building a brand that people don't really care about, you will need to adapt and change to the current situation if you want to survive the next month or two. And shipping situation from China, it's at its worst. I'm going to show you exactly how to deal with that situation, but anybody telling you that it's all Gucci and you can ship products from China all over with no issues is probably lying to you with an agenda. So on a positive note here, why should you start now if you haven't started? Or what should you start a new store or keep running the store that you have if you are thinking, should I or should I not? So what should you start? Shopify is offering a 90-day free trial on every single store. If you go to shopify.com and go to shopify.com/COVID-19, you'll get taken to this particular page here, which I'm going to pull up in just a second. And it says, we're with you. Business owners like you are the heart of Shopify. We always want to do everything in our power to support you. And if you go down into the bottom, it says gift cards for all plans and customers. So if you're wondering, how am I going to pay off my Shopify if I'm going to have to fire people or where I'm making as much money, they are offering some gift cards for your payment plans. And also the extended 90-day free trial. You can click it here and you can get 90 days for free to start on Shopify. So if you're wondering, when should I start my Shopify store? When should I learn Shopify? Now is absolutely the best time ever, because you have 3 full months for free to actually get your store up and running. So that's awesome. The second thing is ability to test products much cheaper on Facebook than before. It doesn't mean that you should scale products. I wouldn't recommend scaling right now past 2,000 per day or so in ad spend. Keep it at that level until you have your shipping or sourcing situation sorted. Once that is sorted, once you know that the products are coming, they're being fulfilled, then you can scale as much as you want. But the ability to test products much cheaper, that means that any beginner, anybody with any budget can go and post a Facebook ad, test the product, and see what results they get now that the ad costs are cheaper. So if you're wondering, when should I test products? Should I test products now? Should I wait? Should I wait a couple of weeks? Test them now, because cheaper costs equal faster testing, better testing for you to learn Facebook ads and actually get in the rhythm of testing products. Less products available, but also easier to spot winners. So anybody that's telling you, oh, there's hundreds of winning products, thousands of products that you can sell out there, is probably lying to you. And a lot of these products don't even matter right now because people are stuck at home in quarantine during the pandemic and don't really care about those products. What you want to do is spot winners that are very relevant to the current situation that's happening with the pandemic. If you want to learn what kind of products to sell, you can pop the eye icon right here and click that video where I talk about what products to actually sell during the pandemic. And now is the perfect time to learn about marketing angles and how you should position your product, position your offer and your store in a way where the customer is actually wanting to buy it, not just thinking about it kind of price hopping or window shopping. Now is the best time to test your ad copies, to test your videos, to test your landing page, your product page, whatever it is. Now is the best time to actually do that and learn the principles of marketing. Now, should you still use traditional methods? Should you still use AliExpress, ePacket, traditional spy tools, and so on? AliExpress, I would only recommend it for product research, checking order volumes and seeing how much products are selling on a daily basis, and importing products from AliExpress to your store. Should you use it for shipping? Should you use it to source your products? Should you send products from AliExpress to your customers? No. ePacket right now is pretty much dead in the water. It's taken like 5 to 6 weeks. It's super expensive to get a product from China to the US with ePacket. I would not recommend it by any means. The best thing to do right now is to get an agent, a dropshipping agent. If you want to learn how to do that, there's a link in the description on how to get a dropshipping agent or how to find a good agent that you can source from, and they will actually tell you what the best shipping method is. As long as they're trustworthy, they'll tell you how much it costs, how much it takes, or use trusted suppliers like I talk about it in my channel, like UDroppy, CJ Dropshipping, HyperSkew, that actually tell you the truth, that tell you how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost to actually ship it, and what's the best shipping method depending on your current situation and your order volume. If you have a brand of products that are not essential or from the pandemic, what do I do? Do I keep selling the same products? Do I keep forcing it onto customers? If you see that your results are dipping really hard, like for example, I have one student who sells apparel and sells t-shirts, and his sales have actually gone up. It's very interesting because I thought his sales were going to go down. They actually went up. He's making more money than ever. Other people are seeing a massive drop in their products. If you see that drop, and if you're testing multiple ads or different audiences and it's just not working, it's time to adapt. It's time to change your products towards the pandemic, or change your product entirely, or change your marketing angle that it fits the current situation that people are going through. US shipping, is it going to get affected? Well, the USPS right now is going through a money crunch. They are losing a lot of money consistently, but the United States would not let the US Postal Service or the US between US states shipping, they wouldn't let that die, because that would literally crush the economy in the United States. So they are getting bailed out by the US government, and there's billions of dollars being poured into different companies that make the economy in the US run. So you don't have to be worried. It won't actually get too affected. Maybe it's a little bit slower, maybe it's a little bit more expensive, but it's not like it's going to disappear anytime soon. And things to make sure before you start, if you haven't started or if you want to keep running your business, do not expect regular strategies to work. Videos that were, let's say 2-3 years ago, and you're watching them and you're thinking that that strategy is going to work, it's not going to work during a pandemic and during a crisis like the one that we're going through right now, because it's absolutely not relevant to what's happening in the world. Winning products are really irrelevant right now. There's no such a thing as a winning product, or this new winning product, or this spy tool winning product, or anything like that. You got to stick to essential products, high priority products, or products that you were selling before with a different angle. So if somebody tells you, oh, this is a winning product, and you see it and you don't really think that it's relevant to somebody that's in a pandemic, or somebody that's struggling with their health, somebody that is high risk. For example, like I was talking in the last video, if you're targeting an audience that is high risk for coronavirus, for example, pregnant women, and you're selling a pregnant body pillow, which makes them feel a lot more comfortable if they are pregnant, that is a high priority, very relevant product to the current situation. If it is not essential seeming, or high priority, people are not going to care about it. Be sure to contact multiple suppliers to make sure that you can source your product, or get an agent. Like I was talking about, the agent is the best way to do it, or you can use AliExpress standard shipping instead of ePacket through AliExpress. But I would contact multiple suppliers to confirm stock, confirm shipping times, and confirm shipping costs. Because if you just take it out of the AliExpress page and trust that, you're probably going to get screwed in some way or another. Maybe it takes like 2 months to ship, or maybe it's like $20 to ship it. So you really have to make sure that you get the best deal possible for your particular situation. If you're selling 100 orders a day, you're obviously going to get a better deal than if you're selling 2 orders per day. Facebook is shutting down a lot of accounts, so don't be too aggressive with your ads. I've had multiple people tell me my business manager got banned, my profile got banned, my ads account got banned. So make sure to not be too aggressive in your ads. Do not mention pandemic. Don't mention coronavirus. Don't mention virus. Don't mention anything that has to do with the virus that is not directly related to the person's actual situation. So for example, something you can do is working from home, being at home, struggling at home, something like that that has to do directly with being at home or the current situation of the quarantine, without mentioning quarantine virus, coronavirus, then it's fine. But if you mention those words, or if you go too aggressive in your ads, too hard, the default is going to be shutting down your account, because they also have less staff to manually check accounts. That's a problem that's happening right now. Facebook, YouTube, all these big ad platforms, they have less people that are working, so they have less people that are going to check ads to make sure that they're compliant. Make sure to stay as compliant as possible, or you will get your account shut down. If you have a coronavirus related question or anything related to this current pandemic situation, post it down in the comments below. I will answer every single question within 24 hours. And also, if I pick your topic, you will get a free 1-hour consulting call directly with me. Not my team, directly with me. You get a free 1-hour consulting call if I pick your topic. For the next video, I'll be doing 3 to 4 videos every single week. I'm committing to giving you the best information and being your guide out there for this current situation, how to get your business running. So make sure to comment down below your topics, your questions, anything. And if you want to work directly with me to take your business to the next level, make sure to click that first link in the description. It is a free call, but make sure that you're committed to your business. You actually want to get results for your business, and you want to work directly with me. It does take some investment, but the return on that is insane. Just like this student right here, Washington, who is consistently doing 2K days every single day, even during the pandemic. If you want to do like that, make sure to click that first link in the description, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button, comment down below your questions, and I will see you in the next video.